Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign up with Roblox. First, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website, or simply download the Roblox application on your mobile device or computer. Once there, look for the Sign Up or Join Now button, which is typically a large, colorful button on the main page. Clicking this will take you to the registration form, where you'll begin creating your new account. 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. Start by selecting your birth date using the provided drop-down menus for month, day, and year. Then, pick a unique username. It should be between 3 and 20 characters and not already taken. Finally, create a strong password, ensuring it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. 1, 4, 5, 9. After setting your username and password, you have the option to select your gender, though this step is completely voluntary. Before proceeding, it's crucial to review Roblox's terms of use and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these important documents. Once you're comfortable, click the Sign Up button to finalize your registration, indicating your agreement to their policies and creating your account. 2, 3, 4, 5. The final step often involves a quick human verification, like solving a simple CAPTCHA puzzle, to ensure you're not a bot. Once that's complete, congratulations! Your Roblox account is officially created and ready for action. You can now log in using your new username and password and immediately dive into the millions of user-created games and experiences available on the platform. Enjoy your new adventure. 1, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.